Hey YouTube, this is my airsoft gun collection. Let me set this down. This one right here, it's my favorite, but it runs off of batteries. So, it's that one. It's my Colt. I painted it black today. Okay, I accidentally shot a BB. And I don't know what this one is, but it's about like a Desert Eagle. You can see that. Oh, here is my pump shotgun. It's broken, but see, it won't pump. Like that. It won't work. It's broke. I traded with my friend, so I'm gonna get my machinima back. Oh. And MP5K or UMP45 silence. It broke. The stock itself broke right there, but it works. Only crappy part clips the battery. This one don't have a clip either. That the scope is. And this clip, it works. It's an M9 clip. It's supposed to work on real guns. Funny thing, fits in there. You have a G18. And I can shoot real bullets out of this. If the hole is a little bigger, I could probably shoot real bullets. But whatever. So if you have any questions, just comment, message me, anything.